Good morning, everybody. I am like a monkey on the stage here, so thank you very much. I have a very short presentation, but I would like to deliver a very strong message, which I believe in. And I would like to have the audience also participating in the presentation, because I think it's very good when you are in the queue of the presentation. I would like to ask if somebody would like to build a company with me, an IoT company. Is there a volunteer? Okay, oh, I see many entrepreneurs. So I will approach one of these. And good morning. So what's your name?
Good morning, Anna.
Okay, so you would like to build an IoT company, you are an entrepreneur. What do you think is important from the beginning in building an IoT company?
People beside technology.
Okay, people beside technology, I take the point. I agree with you. Is there another idea? Somebody who think it's important? Okay, here we have another entrepreneur. So, good morning, what's your name?
Good morning, Jorge.
Okay. Good morning.
Some good business cases.
Okay, good. A business case, it's important. So to prepare the business case before delivering your product.
For applying business cases for IoT.
What do you mean by that?
Yes, some business cases that could be applied to customers.
Okay, so something which sounds real to the customer. Okay. Okay, so I'm busy in the IoT business since several years, and we do cool things in IoT. And one of the cool things we do is to ride motorbikes, like we saw on the presentation of Telefonica. It was my former boss, and I think it's very representative, because if you are active in this market, you will see many interesting people having interesting initiative. So I've been collecting in my presentation what I think it's important when you build an IoT company. So let's go through. So the first thing we know all about, it's we live in a digital revolution. It has been mentioned by my other colleagues, and that's obvious. But what I think it's very important, and this is a statement of MIT, this digital revolution, it's not about technology. Of course, we have technologies emerging out of the field, but it's very much about strategy. And I think your point is very good. To prepare a business model at the beginning, it's to think about the strategy. So if you want to build a company, you need a strategy. And we are not going to connect things, we are going to provide solution to the people. And I wrote, we will change the world, because I think that IoT, it's a challenge for us as entrepreneurs, but also because the world is changing, not only in a digital way, and we would like to provide solution for this. So, numbers, again, we have seen many of them, but by 2030, we will have 500 billion devices around the world. So it means that for my grandson, he will be born, I've been calculating, I think he will be born at that time. He will be surrounded by 60 to 70 connected objects. So can you imagine the baby coming to the world with 60 objects around him? So I think it's amazing, no? But at the same time, at that date, there is no more elephants in Africa. So if we still keep killing elephants at the same rate, my poor grandson will have 60 devices around him, but no elephants in Africa. And perhaps he has no job, or perhaps he will not have a job later on. So I think that these are the challenges, because when this market is mature, when we have provided solution to the end customers, we would like to see something happening in the reality. And for my grandson, I would like to have a world which is nice, with elephants in Africa, and I would like to have my grandson with a future, a bright future, with a good job. So what's our proposal, strategic proposal for our company we would like to build from now on? I think I've put 4 items which I think are very important. It's easy to remember. There are 4 P's, like in marketing. Product, process, people, partner. You were mentioning people. I think it's very much important. And so let's go through. So first we need to build an IoT team, which is not a team like a normal team, I would say. Which kind of people do we need? I think we need first very good engineers. So it's very important to invest and to pay our research and development engineers, because they are the guy knowing the technology. And digital transformation, it's also about technology change. We need also, and it has been mentioned by others, we need somebody understanding platform, because the platform is very much important. And now, in the market, there is no clear winner concerning the platform. So, if we want to build a service, which kind of platform are we going to use? Then we need somebody who is from the legal department, knowing about the ownership of the data. What's going to happen when we produce 1 million tons of data? Who's going to handle that, and who's going to be responsible for that? And then, of course, and that's my part, we need street boxers. So people going around out of the field and looking for customers. That's very much important. The process. So we are talking about millions of lines, about many devices. So we need different things. We need automation. We cannot have the startup mentality for our company, because the startup mentality, it's very nice at the beginning. You are in the garage, but if you start to deploy your application and you have not automation in your solution, you are going to die from your success. You need also to have something which is scalable, of course, and you need standardization. And then, on the top of this, and I think it's very much important, we need to understand what's happening in our deployment. Because when we have 100,000 lines, like it has been shown by Telefonica, the beautiful map with Barcelona. So it's about this. We need to understand what's happening with the connected object. We need business analytic. Partners. Of course, the ecosystem is very complex. It's not easy at all to go to a customer and sell our solution. We need to work with other people. But it's not to meet in nice, it's not a question to meet nice people in nice conferences. We need really to think, how can we approach potential partners and to work together with them, to go together to visit potential customers together, but we need also technical integration between their solution and our solution. Perhaps we are a small company, we are not so big, perhaps we are not as big as IBM, for example, and we need also to think about policy of indirect sales channel. So we need other people, other companies in other countries to sell our connectivity or our products. And of course, I put, and this is very much important for me, we need to be transparent and fair. Because if you want to build a relationship with a partner, you need to bring some value in front of you. Otherwise, it's not going to be possible to create the confidence that we are going to build a partnership together. The product. So as I said already, we need to put a lot of research and development. We need to define the connectivity. Are we going to use GPS? Are we going to use Wi-Fi? Are we going to use radio connection? We need the tools for the large deployments, and I wrote this like this because I wrote in an article in my blog. It's how to kill a cow on internet. It's possible. If the farmer is connected to internet, perhaps, and has no security at all, you can have an intruder inside his farm and can create some problem in the production. So we need also security, which is very much important. In TELE2, we have a service for consultancy, so we provide connectivity to IoT players, but we are also very keen at providing them with a consultancy how to build their business. What do? We look inside, we talk about the business, we talk about strategy. What is your strategy? What is your product? How do you want to do it? And what we are very keen is to involve our own partners. So TELE2 has many partners in the IoT sphere, and our proposal is to bring these partners to your company, because we think that in a triangle we can have a better business. So, summary, what's important? The end customer. It's very strange, it's very obvious, but everybody forget about that. We forget about the customer. We don't pay attention to him. We don't know what is his state of mind. We need industrialization, because we are talking about large deployments. We need partnership. And of course, it's not about connection, but the path we go through the success of our business. Thank you very much. Any question?